Repertorization Sheet explained. Repertorization Sheet is a computer-based analysis of your recorded symptoms. In Zomeo, a list of medicines alphabetically arranged, and also a number of longitudinal and horizontal columns for noting down the marks against rubrics. Repertorization Sheet in Zomeo always provides the remedy, which is covered by most of the symptoms, on top. In Zomeo, Repertorization Sheet helps you to analyze the remedies, apply filters, and prescribe a remedy to your patient. To open the Repertorization Sheet, click on the Repertorization icon from the side menu, or press F5 or Ctrl+R. The display of Repertorization Sheet is divided into two sides. The left side displays the list of recorded symptoms. The right side displays the list of remedies with totality symptom covered, and the drug mark of each remedy in each symptom. Zomeo shows the remedies in the sorted order of totality by default. However, you can sort them alphabetically by clicking on the remedy row, and sort them by symptom covered by clicking on symptom covered row. In our case, Ignatia, arsenicum album, causticum are some of the suggested remedies in the Repertorization Sheet. You may see that totality of Ignatia is more than causticum, but causticum covers all the symptoms present in the patient. Let's sort our Repertorization Sheet by symptoms covered. Zomeo also provides useful information on remedies and symptoms from the Repertorization Sheet. Right-click on the remedy, and you will see various remedy-related options, like keynotes, references, books, clinical tips, cases, etc. For example, just right-click on remedy, and select keynotes from the menu to open the keynotes. Similarly, right-click on the symptom, and you will see various symptom-related options, like full symptom, view cross-references, add to clipboard, etc. For example, just right-click on symptom, and select cross-reference from the menu to open the cross-references of the symptom. Filters and strategies. Zomeo provides the best possible remedies on top of the sheet for your recorded rubrics. In our case, Ignatia, arsenicum album, causticum are the few of the remedies suggested by the software. However, you can apply filters provided in the software to get most accurate remedies depending on your patient's characteristics, most important symptoms, etc. Some of the most used filters in Zomeo are Remedy Property Filter, Cross Repertorization, Weightage Repertorization, Combined Repertorization, Mineral Filters. Let us explore each of these filters now, in detail. Remedy Property Filter. Remedy Property Filter in Zomeo helps you to selectively repertorize and arrange the remedies based on the specific attributes of your patient, like thermal state, thirst, miasms, and so on. To open the Remedy Property Filter, click on the Property Filter icon, or press Alt+P. In our case, let us select thirst less, appetite increased, and chronic, because her condition is chronic, and apply these filters. With these filters, Zomeo drills down the remedies from 945 to just 89 remedies, and rest are eliminated. But to select the ideal remedy from 89 remedies is also difficult. So let us now move to our next important filter of Zomeo, that is Cross Repertorization Filter. The Cross Repertorization Filter enables you to select the most important rubrics in your patient, without which you cannot prescribe. You can select the symptoms that are of prime importance to the case, and filter out the rest of the symptoms from your Repertorization Sheet. When you apply this filter, you will only see the remedies that commonly cover the selected rubrics and eliminate all other remedies making it simpler for you to decide on the final remedy for the patient. Let us now look at the cross-repertorization filter. To apply the cross-repertorization filter, click on the cross-repertorization icon, located in the right side of the screen. You can access this feature through your keyboard by pressing Alt+X. Once you click on this icon, you will see a window having all the symptoms present in the repertory sheet. Now, select the symptoms which are more prominent and important in your patient. You need to select minimum of 2 symptoms to use the cross-repertorization. In our case, let us cross the most important symptoms: anxiety, family about, traveling general, desire for Murphy repertory, fear narrow places, menses painful, and grinding teeth during sleep. Now, apply the filter and look at the repertorization sheet. The repertorization sheet shows red-colored cross mark against each crossed symptom. Now, you can see after crossing these important symptoms, the remedies have drilled down to only 3 similar remedies, which are causticum, sepia, and carcinosin burnet. This is how cross-repertorization filter makes your remedy selection simpler. Weightage repertorization. Certain symptoms are expressed more intensely in the patient and gain precedence over others in a given case. Depending upon your observations, you can give a self-defined weightage number on an upward scale of 0 to 9 for each rubric. More important rubrics have to be given higher weightage intensity. This can be done using Weightage Repertorization Filter. To open the Weightage Repertorization Filter, click on the Weightage Repertorization icon, or press Alt+W from your keyboard. Now, you have a window where all the symptoms are listed, and you have the provision to choose the weightage for your symptoms. Let us say, symptom, anxiety, health, about has highest precedence in the patient. So, let us give the weightage 9 to it. The symptom, travel, desire to, is next important in the patient. Let us give the weightage of 8 to it. Then, let us give weightage of 7 to the symptom, fear, narrow places. And, now, apply the filter. After giving weightage to the certain important symptoms, Zomeo recalculates the remedy totality and sorts the remedies according to the weightage given to the symptoms. In our case, carcinosin burnet is the most prominent remedy for these selected symptoms. Our next filter is Combined Repertorization Filter. This feature helps in including the most important rubrics from your totality, along with the indicated remedies that cover either one or all of the symptoms selected. In this manner, the repertorization results will include a combination of all the remedies that cover the selected rubrics. To open the Combined Repertorization Filter, click on the Combined Repertorization icon, or press Alt+C from your keyboard. Now, you have a window where all the symptoms are listed, and you have the provision to choose the symptoms for combining. Let us choose the symptoms, travel, desire to, and grinding teeth during for combining. And apply the combine filter. You will see now remedies are filtered to 136 remedies, with causticum being at the top of the sheet. Our next important filter is mineral filter. Mineral filters from Zomeo can be used to determine whether a mineral or a particular group of minerals are covering your case. To open the mineral filter, click on the mineral filter icon, or press Alt+N from your keyboard. Now, you have a window which displays a periodic table. A group of minerals like acids, etc. are displayed under Basic drop-down. You can either select a mineral, like Kali or potassium, or combination of minerals, like Kali and sulfur. Now, Repertorization Sheet filters the remedies accordingly. You can also select a group of minerals from the Mineral Filters window. Let us select acids and apply the filter. Now, remedies in the Repertorization Sheet are filtered out to show only acids. Zomeo has the best repertorization analysis filters and strategies to work out your case. In this tutorial, we have covered few filters and strategies. Zomeo has other filters also, which you can explore. They are Remedy Mark Filter, Set Drug Mark to 1, Author Filter, Remedy Kingdom Filter, Selected Remedy Filter. You can use and apply these filters depending on your patient's complaints and rubrics. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great time with Zomeo. Any questions, doubts, contact us at support@homeopath.com. Chat with us at www.homeopath.com.